If you want to create a stylish vintage jersey design without using complicated software, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to design a vintage jersey using Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open Canva and log in to your account. On the home page, click on Create a Design and choose a custom size or search for T-shirt design. This gives you a good starting layout for your jersey design. Once your canvas is ready, begin by choosing a background color that matches a vintage style. Classic colors like faded red, navy blue, cream, or earthy tones work really well for that retro look. Next, start adding shapes and patterns. Go to the Elements section and search for stripes, textures, or retro patterns. Vintage jerseys often have horizontal or vertical stripes, so you can add those and adjust the colors to give a slightly worn-out feel. You can reduce opacity slightly to make it look aged. Now, add your main text. This could be a team name, number, or brand. Use bold and retro-style fonts. Canva has many vintage-style fonts you can try. Place the text in the center or across the chest area and make sure it stands out. You can also add a number on the back or front to make it look more authentic. Another important detail is adding small elements like logos, badges, or patches. Search for badge, logo, or sports emblem in the Elements section and place them on the sides or chest area. These details give your jersey a more professional and realistic look. You can also use textures to enhance the vintage effect. Search for grunge texture or fabric texture and overlay it on your design. Lower the transparency so it blends nicely and creates that aged retro appearance. Once your design looks complete, review everything carefully. Check alignment, spacing, and colors. Then click on Share and Download. Choose PNG for high quality or PDF if you want to print it. So, in simple words, designing a vintage jersey in Canva is easy. Choose a layout, add colors and patterns, insert text and logos, apply textures, and download your final design. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. See you in the next one.